Sit. Now go in front of her so that she can see you. Now say, shake. See? She tried to shake. You want to tell her to sit down next time? You want to tell her to sit down? You're going to say, there you go. And say, sit down. Sit.
Sit.
Go to.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down there.
Now give her the treat and say, good girl.
She has to shake your hand. There. Ooh.
Be careful. It's okay, Kennedy.
Did you drop it?
She's not gonna hurt you. She just wants to shake. See, look. Go to sit, shake. Oh. Good girl. Good girl. And she likes it when you pet her. See, she's nice.
Are you gonna do it, Kennedy?
You wanna try again? Okay, say
Shake.
no. Coda.
He put her hand in your pocket.
Okay, say it to Coda.
Shake.
You gotta make sure it doesn't fall out of your hand. She has to shake your hand before you give her the treat.
Maybe you could shake with one hand and put the treat in the other hand.
Yeah, you could go like this and hold on.
And try again?
And try one more time. No. Okay, then I'll do it. Okay.
I watch you.
Sit.
Can I watch you?
Down.
Can I? Good girl. Can I watch you?
Yeah. I'm gonna give her just like 2 more treats because she has to have dinner too. Okay, Coda. Up. Oh wait, she's not the jumping kind of dog. Okay, shake. Good girl. Good girl.
Good girl, Coda.
Okay, Coda. Sit.
Nana, I want a banana.
Down. Good girl.
Nana?
Good girl.
Nana.
What?
No.
What?
No.
I can take it.
What?
I'm on banana.
Hi, Coda.
I want to at the table so it goes here. I know.
Banana. My homework. Banana. Homework. Banana. Homework.
Oh, Coda, you're stuck.
Banana. Homework.